In this video, I will show you how you can fix server connection failed error in Marvel Rivals. So first of all, you need to check the server status. You can simply open up any browser that you are using and then you just need to search for Marvel Rivals server status. Once you search for it, make sure to go for their official Twitter and see if they have made any announcement related to maintenance or server maintenance issues. If there is any announcement, you need to wait until they verify that everything is resolved and you are good to go. Next step is restart your router. Sometimes a simple restart of your internet router can resolve connectivity issues. Also make sure that you don't have any application running in the background like YouTube or any other downloading happening in the Steam or any other browser. Make sure to close this, or if you have any app running in the background that is taking too much internet or bandwidth, you need to make sure to end the task. If none of these solutions work, at least give it 24 hours until it fixes itself. If it doesn't fix itself, you need to simply uninstall the game completely and then reinstall it again. But the server connection failed error sometimes resolve itself after 24 to 48 hours.